Forex Tester's fundamental analysis tool is an indispensable asset for any trader looking to make informed decisions based on global economic events. This powerful tool integrates real-time news and economic data into the trading platform, allowing you to understand and anticipate market movements. From GDP reports to central bank announcements, it provides comprehensive insights into the economic indicators that move the markets. The tool's interface is user-friendly and allows easy navigation through news events sorted by impact, country, and category. It also offers the option to filter events by their expected volatility, giving you the ability to focus on news that aligns with your trading strategy. Master the market narratives with the fundamental analysis tool by Forex Tester and turn global events into profitable trading opportunities. Try Forex Tester now.